Hello guys, this is Rishabh and you are watching Institute of Legal and Management Studies. ILMS Academy, India's premier legal and management education portal. Get certified to enhance employability. Today we learn about nationality and citizenship. The term nationality is a broader concept which is often used as a relationship of an individual and state from international aspect, whereas the term citizenship has a relation to internal aspects between state and individual. An individual cannot change his nationality, but he always has an option to change his citizenship. Therefore, the misconception of using both the words as synonymously or interchangeably by the layman is not factually correct. Definition of nationality. A man's nationality is denoted as his membership for a state on the basis of his relationship with the state. It is the status of belongingness of the individual to the country. No individual can be national of more than one country but can be citizens of more than one countries. The status of nationality can be acquired by inheritance, birth, parentage, naturalization, marriage, or repatriation, which is subject to the laws prevalent in the country. It has two kinds of membership with the state, political and ethical. It determines the political status of the individual with reference to allegiance. It is most frequent and sometimes the only link between an individual and a state, ensuring that effect is given to that individual's rights and obligation at international law. Allegiance and protection are correlative aspects of the nationality. A country has certain sets of provisions that help in determining the nationals of the country. A person who is politically members of the state and owes allegiance towards the state is a national of the state, but it is not necessary that all of them possess the full civic privileges or political rights which are conferred upon citizens. The individual can lose his citizenship having no loss to his nationality of the state. Again, it is not important for an individual to be the residents of the state in order to become a national of the state. Definition of citizenship. The concept of citizenship is related to membership of a state with respect to the certain rights which are enjoyed by an individual under the municipal law of that state. It is a legal or juristic concept because it is most important for an individual to obtain a legal sanctity of the state by registering himself as a citizen under the laws of that country. A person should fulfill all the legal requirements of that country for acquiring a citizenship status. One can become a citizen of the country through various ways, such as by birth, inheritance, registration, marriage, or naturalization. A person can be denoted as the citizen when he possesses all political rights and civic privileges that are subject to certain disqualifications like the minority, sex, or etc. It is possible for an individual to change his citizenship whenever he wants and can acquire more than single citizenship at a time. All the citizens of the country are given certain rules and regulations by their government which are binding on them. The distinction between the two concepts of nationality and citizenship is explained by Chief Justice Sinha as follows. Nationality has reference to the jural relationship which may arise for consideration under international law. On the other hand, citizenship has reference to the jural relationship under municipal law. In other words, nationality determines the civil rights of a person, natural or artificial, particularly with reference to international law, whereas citizenship is intimately connected with civil rights under municipal law. Hence, all citizens are nationals of a particular state, but all nationals may not be citizens of the state. In other words, citizens are those persons who have full political rights as distinguished from nationals who may not enjoy full political rights and are still domiciled in the country. Comparison. Nationality is the relation of individual and state from the international aspect, whereas citizenship is the relation of individual and state from the internal aspect. A person with nationality becomes national, but a person with citizenship becomes citizen. Nationality is based on the political, ethical, or racial concept, whereas citizenship is based on the legal, juristic concept. Nationality can be acquired by inheritance, birth, parentage, naturalization, marriage, or repatriation, but citizenship can be acquired by birth, inheritance, registration, marriage, or naturalization. Nationality cannot be changed, but citizenship can be changed. Visit ILMS Academy for various courses from contract drafting, RTI, labor law, GST, and more. Get certified to enhance employability.